Hello, my name is Steve Hume. This is a walkthrough of my Hangman application. It is a JavaScript node application that uses constructors, it manipulates inheritance, and it uses recursion. This is a Hangman game in which one of the 30 Major League teams is chosen at random and the name is encoded in a riddle. Each name consists of a city name and the actual team name. So each team will have at least two words in its name. The user plays the game by guessing letters. If a guess matches one or more letters in the riddle, the letters are revealed. And if the guess does not match any letter, it is considered a miss. The game continues until either all letters have been revealed or the user has missed 10 guesses. The app is built on the concept of a session of play. Within each session, the user can play the game multiple times. The app keeps track of the number of wins and losses within a session. At the end of each game, it presents the current tally to the user. At the end of the session, it presents the final tally to the user. Well, with no further ado, let's go and walk through the application. I will, in my terminal window, invoke it using Node. And we are challenged to play Major League Baseball Hangman. There's a team name hidden within this riddle, and the riddle has three words. I'm going to guess an S, and we'll see that it ends in an S. We will try T, and we see that there are several T's, actually, sorry, two T's. Let's try an O, and we'll see that there are three O's in the first word. I'm going to try an R, and lo and behold, I think we're beginning to see what name this is going to be. I'm going to try a capital N, and I'm doing this so that I can show you that the matching between the guess and the letters in the riddle is case insensitive. My capital N correctly matches the lowercase n in the word Toronto. So with no further ado, we'll type in a B, lowercase, an L, and let me demonstrate the error handling here. I'm going to guess a 4. The game will not allow me to guess either a numeric or a punctuation character. So we'll try a 4 and see what happens. And we correctly get an error message from our validation logic. And it is asking me to go ahead and enter an alpha, but I'm going to try entering a punctuation character. And again, the logic correctly diagnoses the problem and asks me to enter an alphabetic. Enter a U, an E, a J. I'm going to try a Q and note that that was a miss. We went from 10 misses remaining to 9 misses remaining. I'm going to try an A and a capital Y, and I've solved the riddle. The Y, of course, matched the lowercase y in the name. We have Toronto Blue Jays. I have correctly solved the Major League riddle, and my current tally of wins and losses is 1 and 0. So, feeling encouraged, I'm going to try again. And we have another riddle, this time consisting of two words. Try a Q. I'm going to go all the way down and show you what happens when I lose. Try a P. Try a Z. Note, dear reader or dear viewer, that I am doing this in real time and I actually don't know what this riddle is. Now I'm down to 4. As you'll notice, every time I enter a incorrect letter, it tells me it's incorrect and decrements the count of misses that remain. An L, haha, I did get some L's, but let's go ahead with a X. There are no X's, so it's not the Boston Red Sox or the Chicago White Sox. Try an M, an N, and there were a number of N's. But you'll notice that I am running low on misses remaining. So let's try a W. One miss remaining. I'm going to try a Z. And we have no misses remaining. I've lost the game. The Major League Baseball team riddle was the Cleveland Indians, and I currently have one win and one loss. So as you can see, the game correctly handles matching. It matches both lower and uppercase. It has validation logic that will diagnose incorrect guesses, that is numbers and punctuation. It allows us a maximum of 10 missed guesses and correctly decrements each time we go through a miss. We will decrement the number of misses remaining. And last but not least, I'd like to show you what happens when I exit the session. So when asked if I want to guess another major league team, I'm going to say no. And we will exit. Final score is one win and one loss. And it thanks me for playing Major League Baseball Hangman. This concludes our video walkthrough. Thank you for your time and attention.